It's like that. There's no shape. An amoeba has no shape. Just like that. Oh, you put an eye on the center.
That? Tin?
Center.
That's not a pencil.
You know center, Erin.
He's big. This one center.
Center, it's in the middle.
That?
Yes.
Nagkado.
You shade it. You shade them. You shade those circles.
What's this? Amoeba. What's it? Bacteria. It's like amoeba.
Yes.
It is that.
Oh, yan mo nga ang tata.